Welcome to this inspiring tour of a tiny house that redefines what small space living can truly become. Today, we're stepping inside a modern luxury barnhouse interior, where rustic charm meets contemporary elegance. This home proves that living small doesn't mean sacrificing comfort, beauty, or sophistication. Through smart design, premium materials, and thoughtful spatial planning, this tiny barnhouse offers a lifestyle that feels both cozy and remarkably upscale. The barnhouse style draws inspiration from traditional agricultural structures, but reimagines them through a modern architectural lens. Clean lines, strong geometry, and minimalist detailing replace ornamentation, while the iconic barn silhouette remains. In this tiny house, the barnhouse concept delivers a sense of openness and strength, creating a timeless exterior form that feels grounded, modern, and perfectly suited for stylish compact living. From the outside, this tiny barnhouse immediately makes a statement. The steep gable roof enhances vertical volume, while the combination of natural wood, dark metal accents, and large glass openings adds modern sophistication. Every material choice balances durability with aesthetics. Despite its small footprint, the exterior design feels bold, architectural, and intentional, setting the stage for the refined interior experience waiting inside. Stepping indoors, you're greeted by an open-concept layout that visually expands the space. The living area, kitchen, and dining zone flow seamlessly without unnecessary partitions. High ceilings emphasize vertical space, while large windows flood the interior with natural light. This openness creates a sense of freedom and comfort, proving that even a tiny house can feel spacious when designed with clarity and purpose. What truly sets this barnhouse apart is its use of high-end materials. Warm wood textures, stone surfaces, and refined metal finishes add depth and richness to every corner. These materials aren't just decorative, they enhance durability and comfort. The result is an interior that feels premium and inviting, showing how luxury design principles can be thoughtfully applied even within a compact footprint. The kitchen is a perfect example of smart small space design. Custom cabinetry maximizes storage, while integrated appliances keep the look clean and uncluttered. Sleek countertops, modern lighting, and minimalist hardware elevate the aesthetic. Despite its size, the kitchen feels efficient and luxurious, designed to support daily living while maintaining the refined character of the modern barnhouse interior. The living area focuses on comfort and simplicity. Carefully selected furniture maintains proportion and scale, ensuring the space never feels overcrowded. Soft textures, neutral tones, and layered lighting create a warm atmosphere ideal for relaxation. This area proves that thoughtful furniture placement and material selection can transform a small living zone into a cozy, stylish retreat. The sleeping area is cleverly positioned in a loft, taking advantage of the barnhouse's high ceiling. This design choice frees up valuable floor space below while creating a private, intimate sleeping environment. Skylights or high windows enhance natural light, preventing the loft from feeling enclosed. It's a smart, elegant solution that blends practicality with architectural character. Even the bathroom embraces luxury within limited dimensions. Clean lines, modern fixtures, and a restrained color palette create a calm spa-like atmosphere. Walk-in showers, floating vanities, and smart storage solutions ensure functionality without visual clutter. This space demonstrates how intentional design can transform even the smallest rooms into refined, enjoyable environments. This modern luxury barnhouse shows that tiny house living can be both practical and aspirational. Through intelligent planning, quality materials, and timeless design, it offers a lifestyle focused on comfort, efficiency, and beauty. More than just a small home, this barnhouse represents a shift toward intentional living, where less space leads to more meaning, style, and architectural excellence.